Cindy Williams here, owner of Tripsy Travel. Today we're staying at the Grand Floridian Club level and we're going to take a look at room 4426. Let's go inside. Alright guys, so as soon as we enter the suite, you'll notice right to the side we have a nice closet, some extra bed linens, a couple of robes, full-size hair dryer, and a full-size safe which does fit your laptop inside. I double checked it. And the coveted Grand Floridian slippers. How fun. And then we have this nice bathroom, which I love that it's separated from the water closet, because that way if the kids are getting ready in the morning, you have these great double sinks, some nice marble, and of course our favorite, the toiletries at the Grand Floridian. I love because they include sunblock, so for someone like me that comes in super handy. Also have some mouthwash and aloe gel for when you forget the sunblock, so all kinds of good stuff there. Have a nice hamper to keep the dirty clothes all sorted. Then you have your water closet, some more toiletries inside. Pretty basic in terms of in here. All right. So we're going to head into the main part of the suite now. You'll notice we have a nice little writing desk and our first hidden Mickey of the day. How cute is that? The writing desk also has USB ports and a little plug and an extra mirror spot for getting ready as well. Now we are in the queen bed unit. You can also get king suites as well. Oh, and look, we have our second hidden Mickey. How cute is that? Little information about what's going on at the resort today. Over here, kind of tucked away in this nook, we have this awesome wet bar. So we have the Keurig coffee maker with our starter coffee supplies, some ice bucket and some drinks. And down here is actually extra storage space. So my kids already went in and put a ton of their luggage. So we're hiding it all away. So, which is great though, because it keeps the room clear as you work through your week and things get crazy. You have lots of space. You have this nice large flat screen TV, all the information going on at Disney World today. Some extra dresser space, and in here you have your own little mini fridge. Great tip for you guys is if you're staying at club level like we are, grab a couple drinks to go and you can watch the fireworks right here from your balcony. How amazing is that? Or a movie with some popcorn. And this sofa also comes out to sleep more people as well. And look at this great view we have right here near the Seven Seas Lagoon. We can see everything from the monorail to both pool areas. How cute is the little Mad Hatter splash area? So cute. Looks like the hat's just about ready to go. Can also get a sneak peek of the... Oh, it just went! we almost didn't get it. We have the Polynesian bungalows you can see from here. So hopefully we'll be able to see the fireworks from here tonight, but also a nice large balcony out here. You could definitely get the whole family out here, and they have 2 seats that are included. Alright guys, so that was the Grand Floridian Club level. How amazing is this suite? We're also going to add a full, more information, so stay tuned on the video. We're going to show you club level and all the stuff that it includes. And if you're loving these videos that we do all over Disney property, definitely like and subscribe to our channel. And when you guys are ready to go to Disney, reach out to us at Tripsy Travel. We'd love to help you with your vacation. Guys, good morning. So we're wrapping up our visit here at the Grand Floridian. It has been amazing. It's so bright out this morning, but have to say it's been a remarkable trip. Grand Floridian is the flagship resort in Walt Disney World for a reason. It's super amazing. So if you guys are oh look, so cool. They have the Mad Hatter themed splash pad back there for the little ones, which is one of several play areas and pool areas they have here at the Grand Floridian. But if you guys are thinking about going to the Grand Floridian, definitely reach out to us at Tripsy Travel. We would love to help you with your amazing magical vacation no matter where you're staying on Disney World property. Bye, Tripsters.